Alright, so I'm hopping in. This is a week after the last video, a couple weeks after. I didn't like any of the footage I shot. I was editing, and it's garbage town. It's absolutely terrible. So, to get everybody caught up, I put 2-inch drop links to lower the rear end. They were supposed to be 3-inch, but it only dropped the rear end 2-inch, so whatever. And then this video was supposed to be take the fork caps out or off, take the Allen bolt out, pull the spring out, show me cutting the spring. There's 5 rounds, gives you a 2-inch drop. It's hot rod shit. People have been doing it forever. Don't come at me. And then you put the caps back in, you're done. That's how you drop the front end. You can tell, well, I have it on a jack, so you can't really tell how low it is. But then the second part of the video was tuning it. I had the carburetor. Okay, so I took the slide out, replace the slide needle. You buy this kit right here. It is $31.95. The part number from DynoJet. They're like $100. All you really need is the 155 jet and the fuel needle with its clip and tiny spacer, and you put it all back together how you take it apart. Anybody who's worked on a motorcycle and you've had your carburetor apart, you know what you're doing. You just take all the spacers and slides and washers off, put them back on, third clip. Then you put the 155 main jet in, which you take the bottom of the carb off and do that. But what I forgot to do, I told you in my other clips, is what you gotta do is take the drill bit that comes with, and there's going to be right here. You use the drill bit to drill in here. You have to break that off. They give you like a screw. They give you the drill bit and the screw in that kit. And you use the drill bit really slow until you break through that casting. And then there's the air fuel screw. I think these bikes are set at 2.5 turns. What I did is I screwed it all the way in until it stopped. Not torqued it, just tap stopped it. And then you back it out 3.5 turns, put it back together. You're done jetting. That's it. 155 main, the fuel needle, third clip, with all the proper spacers. I put the clip and the little washer that comes. They say the little washer is a half increment, so technically I'm at 3.5. One way or the other. I can't remember which way I did it. You do need another filter for this. It is the crankcase breather, I'm guessing. There's a little filter you can buy for that. I don't have it. And yes, that's what I forgot to show you guys when I filmed last time. I did have the bike out. I rode it to work the other day, put about 60, 70 miles on it. With the new rear end, it dropped, the carb work done, and it's amazing. Like, it's a completely different bike. Still has all of its power. It even feels like it's got a touch more, not a lot, just a touch. Being lowered front and rear, it does seem to carve a little bit better. So, there's all the shit that I forgot to put in when I filmed the first time. And now I just saved you guys from a 15-minute, 20-minute long video. It's probably going to be not that long at all. This is one cut, and it's going to be 4 minutes. So, this is episode 4 of building my Volusia, my VL800. I did get new side covers. Front frame cover. I can't remember what they call them. So yeah, now that I took it all apart, I'm going to put it all back together. And then what we're going to cut to is going to be the first ride. After this was all said and done, the first ride that I filmed a week ago. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for dealing with all of this craziness. Hopefully my next video will go a lot better. Okay, well, I'm doing a bad job of filming, so this is probably just going to get put on as bonus footage on the other video where I lowered it. You get in a groove of getting stuff done, and then you just forget to pick up a camera. Oh, don't tell me I gotta take the tank off again. Oh, sweet. Okay. So, get this put back up here. I do a shitty job filming. There we go. I don't even know what that does. But, so, let me get down low. There it is. It's JB welded. It not really moving all that much, so I'll be gentle when I put the hose back on if I can find it, which I can't. Which means I gotta take the tank off again. This has been my day. So let's get this over here. Get you guys set up. Oh, come on. Alright, cool. You guys can't see. Alright guys, so I've done a horrible job filming. You can tell tank's back on. So here's the piece. You guys can see the JB weld on it. Oh, maybe not. Holy shit. Yeah, it's got JB weld on it. It's not tacky, but it's not, obviously it's not fucking strong yet. So what I'm going to do is try to gently, well, first got the tank back on, got all the jets in, got the piece drilled out, and the fuel screw backed out 3.5 turns. Air fuel screw. I'm just going off what people have said works for them, which is the 155 main jet, the fuel needle on the 3rd or 4th notch. I put it on the 3rd, and I put this spacer, which is a half equivalent. See how that works. Tank's back on. We're going to see if we can get this vacuum hose put on without breaking this off again. Ooh. Well, it's on, and it didn't fall off. Take this fuel clamp off. Oh, and we put new spark plugs in. Brand new NGKs. Nothing hotter or colder, just exactly what was in it when stock. So that's the whole fuel system done. Let's get this put up. Now yesterday did give us a bit of a fuss starting. I really need to clean up in here. I've been doing so much work in here that it's just disgusting. All right, choke, switch is on. I could be out of gas. I don't think there's a lot in it. It works. I'm gonna put the gas tank dash back on. I got a mount for the camera. We're gonna mount the camera, go get some fuel in it. We're gonna see how it runs. All right. So starting to sprinkle a little bit, so this is gonna be interesting. Got my helmet. We're gonna go put a gallon of gas in this. Go show Wally. Bring it back. Now hopefully on initial takeoff we won't have any spitting and sputtering, so hopefully the jet kit did its job. When I had it started and I was revving it, it sounded pretty strong, so let's hope. Well, everyone, unfortunately Wally wasn't home, so we couldn't get his opinion, but no spitting, no sputtering. Obviously with it raining out, I couldn't really get into it, but you guys heard it. All the throttle ranges, everything. Nice and smooth, no spits, no sputters, no hesitations. Can't wait to get this on the like highway dry, where I can actually open it up, get on the interstate. Like I said, sorry, this video is literally everywhere, so sporadic. I don't know where any of this fits in, so maybe we're just gonna make one long fucking video that doesn't make any goddamn bit of sense. But thanks for hanging around and checking it out. Happy to have my bike almost where I want it. Next is gonna be all the paint and bodywork stuff, but I don't care. It's my bike. It's a Thrasher. I don't care what it looks like. It's not a show pony. Fuck. I have fork seals coming now. Wife accidentally ordered me fork seals. Appreciate you, babe. So, like, subscribe, comment, anything. See you guys in the next one.